Hi guys, it's me, and today we're diving into something a little different from your usual laptops or phones. We're talking about the JYXCN Smartboard Collaboration Hub, a 55-inch digital interactive whiteboard display that claims to be the ultimate solution for offices, classrooms, and creative collaboration spaces. This isn't just a big screen, it's a full-on productivity hub, so let's see if it really delivers. Right off the bat, what really sets this apart is the dual operating system setup. You've got Windows 11 on one side and Android 10 on the other, giving you the flexibility to run traditional desktop apps while also taking advantage of the simpler, more intuitive Android interface. Whether you're presenting slides, sketching diagrams, or using educational apps, this board promises to handle everything without needing a separate device. The display itself is massive at 55 inches and features a 4K touchscreen. And yes, it's genuinely responsive. Drawing, writing, or annotating with the included stylus feels surprisingly natural, almost like pen on paper. The palm rejection feature works well too, so you won't accidentally make marks while adjusting your hand position. For meetings or classrooms, this is huge because multiple people can interact on the board at the same time without lag. Another thing that stands out is connectivity. You've got HDMI, USB, and even LAN ports, making it compatible with virtually any device you might want to plug in. There's also wireless screen mirroring, which is perfect if you're trying to show content from a laptop or mobile device without getting tangled in cables. In a modern workspace, having these options is almost mandatory, and JYXCN covers it all. Now, let's talk software features. With Windows 11, you can run the usual suite of productivity tools like Office, Zoom, or Teams, meaning this isn't just a display, it's a full workstation. Switch over to Android, and you get access to apps from the Google Play Store, which is especially handy for interactive lessons or quick brainstorming sessions. They've also included collaboration software out of the box, so multiple users can annotate, share screens, and save notes in real time. This is something that traditional whiteboards simply can't do. The build quality is solid too. It has a minimalistic design with slim bezels that makes it look premium. It can be wall-mounted or set on a stand depending on your space. Weight-wise, it's manageable, and the anti-glare coating on the screen makes it usable even in bright rooms without distracting reflections. This is key for classrooms or meeting rooms with lots of windows. Audio is another aspect that often gets overlooked with digital boards, and JYXCN has included stereo speakers built into the unit. They're not going to blow you away like a high-end sound system, but for conference calls, video playback, or interactive lessons, they are more than sufficient. Pair it with a good microphone and you have a fully functional meeting hub. One of my favorite features is the remote management and screen sharing. Teachers or team leaders can push content to the board from anywhere in the room or even from another office. The board also supports cloud storage integration, so notes, documents, and projects can be saved and accessed instantly across devices. This is really handy if you're constantly hopping between spaces or devices. Of course, a big part of any interactive display is touch accuracy and stylus experience. JYXCN nails this with low latency and precise pressure sensitivity. Writing feels natural, drawing is smooth, and erasing is instant. For collaborative work, this makes a huge difference. You won't feel like you're wrestling with the technology, it's intuitive. For setup, the process is straightforward. It comes mostly pre-configured, and you only need to connect it to power and your network to get started. Calibration is quick, and the included user guide walks you through the basics of both Windows and Android modes. If you're using this in a classroom, students can start interacting in minutes, which is really convenient. Power consumption is reasonable for a device of this size, and the screen brightness is adjustable, giving you good visibility whether it's a bright room or a darker presentation environment. The board also supports multi-touch gestures, so zooming in, rotating, or panning content is effortless, which really helps when handling complex diagrams or collaborative brainstorming. If you're considering this for your office, classroom, or home workspace, it's definitely a premium solution. You get a large, interactive touchscreen, dual OS flexibility, wide connectivity, collaborative tools, and a solid build all in one package. It eliminates the need for a traditional whiteboard and projector combination while also offering features that traditional setups simply cannot provide. Of course, no device is perfect. The JYXCN Smartboard is on the pricier side, so it's really targeted at businesses or educational institutions that need high functionality. Also, while Android apps run smoothly, some heavy productivity software will perform better on Windows. So it's important to match your usage scenario to the board's strengths. Overall, if you're looking for a cutting-edge collaborative display that can function as a full workstation, presentation tool, and interactive whiteboard all in one, the JYXCN Smartboard Collaboration Hub is worth a serious look. It's designed to modernize classrooms and offices, bringing everything into one seamless workflow, and for those who need a professional-grade solution, it really delivers. If you want to check out or buy the JYXCN Smartboard Collaboration Hub, I've included a link in the description below. It's the best way to get your hands on this unit and see firsthand what it can do for your space.